Hello guys, today I am going to discuss on present simple tense. Definition. This tense is used to tell about our daily habits, routine activities, scheduled actions, near future, and universal truths. The basic keywords are daily, often, rarely, occasionally, and every day, every week. These kinds of words, etc. Here in present simple tense, we use the present tense form of the verb, that is V1. This V1 is followed by SRES for third person singulars. For third person singulars, those are he, she, and it. Now I will explain the rules for positive sentence, negative sentence, positive question, and a negative question. So these rules are also called as active voice rules. Now rules for positive sentence, that is subject plus verb 1 SRES plus object. Now I will give examples by taking all the pronouns with one verb. For example, I play cricket daily. We play cricket daily. So here the daily indicates it is present simple tense. Next one, you play cricket daily. He plays. Why plays here? Because it is third person singular. He plays cricket daily. She plays cricket daily. It is also followed by S. So it plays cricket daily. Final one is they. They play cricket daily. So now we will discuss on negative sentence. First, the rule. Subject plus do or does, followed by not plus V1 form of the verb plus object. So now we will write the examples. I do not play cricket daily. We do not play cricket. Like this, daily is followed for every sentence. You do not play cricket. He is followed with does. So he does not play cricket. She does not play cricket. It doesn't play cricket. They do not play cricket. Now we will discuss about the rule of positive question. So, do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object. So let's discuss some examples. Do I play cricket daily? Do we play cricket? Do we play cricket daily? Do you play cricket daily? So for he, she, it, does. So does he play cricket? Cricket daily? Does she play cricket? Does it play cricket daily? Do they play cricket daily? So let's discuss about the final rule, that is negative question. Do or does plus not plus subject plus V1 plus object. So we'll take some examples. Do not I play cricket daily? Do not we play cricket do not you play cricket daily? Does not he play cricket? Does not she play cricket daily? Does not it play cricket daily, do not they play cricket daily. So all these rules which I have discussed now are also called as rules for tenses, that is present simple tense, so which are also called as the formulas for active voice for present simple tense.